Halo teman-teman, selamat datang kembali di channel Algoro. Dan kali ini kita akan melanjutkan lagi nih teman-teman perjalanan kita untuk menamatkan game Genshin Impact. So gue doain apapun yang kita lakukan ke depannya dapat berjalan dengan baik dan mulus. Tetap semangat, jangan patah semangat. Gue yakin setiap usaha pasti menghasilkan setiap progres pasti menghasilkan kesuksesan bagi kita semua. Oke teman-teman, tanpa basa-basi lagi, gue akan lanjutin permainannya. Oke. So teman-teman, kalau kalian suka dengan video ini, kalian like. Kalau kalian punya tips and trik dalam bermain Genshin Impact, dan kalau misalkan kalian juga pengen main nih bersama gue gitu, kalian komen aja di bawah. Dan ayo kita dukung gue, kalian dukung gue untuk mengembangkan channel ini teman-teman. Jadi kalian subscribe channel gue sehingga gue juga bisa menamatkan game-game lainnya juga nih teman-teman. Walaupun sebenarnya terdengar agak mustahil ya, karena ini kan game gacha, atau bisa kita bilang kan game free to play gitu loh. Kira-kira Genshin itu bisa tamat atau enggak? Tapi ya kalau gue bilang sih persetan kata orang, gue pengen main ini, gue akan mencoba untuk namatin lagi. So terakhir kita itu lagi nyiapin Rite of Parting nih teman-teman. So kalau kalian mau tahu lebih jelasnya lagi, kalian nonton video-video gue sebelum ini ya. Jadi kita lanjutin lagi dari yang terakhir. Kita itu harus ke atas sini tuh teman-teman, ke Mountain Tianheng. Tapi kira-kira ada ininya nggak? Oh ya, ini ada. Kita teleport air langsung supaya mempersingkat waktu nih teman-teman. So teman-teman, Genshin itu juga lagi ada event loh. Jadi kalau kalian nggak main tuh sia-sia banget gitu rasanya. Dan ini kan game gratis ya teman-teman. Jadi kalian langsung aja download. Kalau gue itu mainnya di Android. Nah, versi Android ini nih sama dengan versinya iPhone nih teman-teman, atau iOS. Jadi kalau kalian yang mau main di iPhone, kalian tinggal download aja di Play Store ya kita masing-masing. Gue pengen ngesain ini dulu ya. Kayaknya agak kegedean. Gue kecilin sedikit dulu. Oh shit. Nah, udah tau gak ya kayak gue kan kemarin sempat nge-grinding ya. Jadi dari video terakhir gue sampai di sini itu tuh gue grinding agak lumayan. Sekarang sudah di adventure rank 28, bentar lagi ke 30 nih teman-teman. Jadi sorry kalau misalkan gue agak jarang upload video gara-gara ya game ini game yang harus grindingnya banyak nih teman-teman. Jadi gue harus nge-grindingin dulu sambil gue mainin side missionnya juga. Nah, gue nih minta saran nih, pengen minta saran teman-teman. Jadi kalau kalian bisa, atau kalau kalian ada saran nih, kira-kira kalian mau nggak sih kalau misalkan gue juga record pas gue juga lagi grinding teman-teman. Jadi dari kemarin tuh kenapa gue nggak record tuh, gue takutnya nggak enak karena grinding kan lama ya, prosesnya panjang. Takutnya kalau kalian nggak suka. Nah, gue tuh suka banget sih karakter Lamia nih teman-teman. Jadi si Lamian ini dia angin. Nah itu gue sukanya tuh. Apaan sih? Oke. Dan ini angin lah teman-teman. Gue tuh masih belum punya apa namanya karakter bintang 5. Nah rencananya itu setelah gue nyelesain ini, gue pengen gacha lagi nih teman-teman. Gue gak mau patah semangat lah. Jadi sama kayak di opening gue, kita tidak boleh patah semangat ya teman-teman. Walaupun gue masih belum punya di ke atas kan. Oh iya, ini gak ada jalan yang lebih oke kah? Karena stamina gue sih kurang banyak nih. Coba usah jalan gitu ya teman-teman. Dikit lagi sih. Nah jadi lu tau gak kali kenapa gue tuh pengen mainin game ini, karena gue ngerasa game ini tuh mirip banget sama Legend of Zelda kan. Nah, Legend of Zelda itu hanya ada di Nintendo nih teman-teman, dan gue tuh gak punya Nintendo, jadi gue juga punyanya kan tab kayak gini. Nah, daripada gue cuman main doang ya, gue akhirnya juga pengen kayak gue nge-record sambil gue main.
Look up there. That's the Jade Chamber. This is bad. Paimon's supposed to be your guide, but Paimon doesn't know where the way up to the Jade Chamber is. Well, since we want to go to the Jade Chamber, heading to its location on the map is the sensible thing to do. Let's look around. There has to be a way up there nearby.
Nah jadi gue tuh harus ke tempat itu ya teman-teman. Itu namanya Jade Chamber. Jade Chamber itu tuh lokasi dimana Ningguang atau salah satu ruler dari Liyue itu, tapi bagian dari manusianya ada tinggal di situ. Nah ruler of Liyue ini kan Geo Archon. Jadi kalau kalian mau tahu Archon itu apa, Archon itu adalah dewa tuh teman-teman. Dewanya Geo. Jadi Geo itu ini ada apa sih atas itu? Kamu anu ya. Nah, Geo itu tanah. Jadi kota ini adalah kota kedua. Yang pertama itu Mondstadt, itu Anemo Archon. Terus yang kedua di sini. Ini gua ambil dulu ya. Ini namanya Silly nih teman-teman. Jadi kalau kalian main, jadi gue namatin ini sekalian jadi walkthrough juga bagi kalian ya. Jadi kalian juga bisa maininnya. Oke. Pas banget tadi.
In a day's work.
Nah, Silly-nya kemana? Coba ya, gua ini dulu. Gua bisa gini sih. Oke. Nah. Balik lagi. Yang gue tuh tadi tuh lihat ada yang di situ juga ya, tapi gue nggak tahu gimana cara ngambilnya. Tuh. Gue cari cara untuk ngambilnya. Apakah di sini? Apakah di bawah sini? Tadi gue di bawah sini ya. Jadi kalau kalian main game kayak gini, gue akan ingetin lagi yang perlu diperhatiin adalah kalian itu harus looting banyak nih teman-teman. Karena looting itu nge-grindingin account kita juga. Capek sih memang, cuman serunya kalau kalian suka MMORPG kayak gini tuh ya serunya di situ loh teman-teman. Gue harus lawan ini kayak gue mau ambil chest itu soalnya.
Rain outlines your fate. Cool it. Swift as the swallow.
Woi, santai bosku.
Bye. I must leave no stone unturned.
Damage gue masih kecil-kecil banget sebenarnya.
Know my sword. As a good knight should.
Nah perjalanan kita kan masih panjang nih buat nemenin teman-teman. Semoga kalian tetap setia ya sama gua, supaya gue bisa namatin ini semangat gitu loh teman-teman. So subscribe teman-teman, kita subscribe.
Since this is the right place, it must have something to do with the Jade Chamber. No way, just trust Paimon's instinct.
Itu tuh baling-baling tuh teman-teman. Jadi baling-baling itu nggak bisa, nggak nyampe. Gua ambil chestnya aja ya. Nah, baling-baling itu harus pakai si anemo atau angin loh teman-teman. Kenapa ini ada di sini ya?
It only takes us up to here. Aw, if that wind current was stronger, we'd be able to reach the top in one go. Huh? Why? Or... Oh, Paimon gets it. If it was a secret, Ganyu wouldn't have let us try to find it ourselves, right? Alright, let's follow your plan. Then we can... Oh, hang on a moment. Look down there. Looks like we've gotten close to the Guizhong Ballista. Paimon has a new idea. Why don't we shoot you up to the Jade Chamber using the ballista? No. Paimon may have just forgotten to think about the safety measures. Oh, that's right. Now that you mention it, we could use the Guizhong Ballista to see if there's another way up nearby.
Nggak ada apa-apa. So, gue harus ke Guizhong Ballista, tetapi tadi gue tuh lihat di bukit itu tuh ada ini ya. Bukit yang mana tapi? Ada chest yang belum gue buka loh teman-teman. Kalian lihat gak sih tadi? Gue nggak mau kalau gue buka. Gue pengen buka, tapi kemana ya? Kita cek dulu. Ya. Itu silinya di bawah situ, ada sili, tapi kayak jauh. Jadi gue nanti aja gue ambilnya. Oh, jangan-jangan angin yang tadi itu gue terbangin ke sananya udah pakai apa? Pakai baling-baling ini kali ya. Ntar ya, gue penasaran. Oh shit. Oke. Soalnya kan dia tinggi banget nih. Mana ya? Ya malah gue turun. Gue nggak bisa nemu ininya di mana nih teman-teman. Nah, next aja lah ya. Kita ke Guizhong Ballista dulu. Dan gue tuh sambil nyisirin ini ada chest. Oh itu ya, kayaknya itu ya. Tapi Guizhong Ballista ya sebelah sana. Oh itu ternyata teman-teman. Gue ambil dulu nggak ya? Ambil dulu nggak ya? Ini juga ada chest sebelah kanan. Sorry teman-teman, kita harus ambil dulu. Habis itu kita ke Guizhong Ballista, oke? Jadi gue ambil ini dulu. Oke, kalian lihat kayak game gratis, tapi dunianya kayak gini, ini manjain mata banget. Gue suka banget. Walaupun ya, apa ya?
Leave it all to me. Let me read you a verse.
Kenapa gue pakai ultinya? Oke. Walaupun gue ya ibaratnya dibilang mudah banget juga enggak. Kayak ada yang ngomong gitu, wah ada misi juga ternyata. Kalau misalkan kayak ada yang ngomong, Bang, kalau tiba-tiba suka main game atau apa ya, gue tetap suka main game sih teman-teman. Ada kembang api gitu ya. Tinggal dulu ya. Ini dulu aja yang kita lawan. Ya namanya juga kadang-kadang kan kita butuh pelarian ya dari kesibukan kita. Salah satu yang gue suka itu ya bermain game sih.
closing in. Yeah.
Oh, precious chest. Oh, untung gua ngecek ya.
Just a moment. Let's tally this up.
Untung gua ngecek loh teman-teman. Kalau gua ngecek, kita nggak bisa dapat tuh precious chest itu loh. Nah, ini gua ambil dulu misinya. Charles Chow. Nah, nanti ya, kita ke Guizhong Walista dulu. Itu kan side mission itu gunanya itu ya buat nge-grinding juga sih teman-teman. Cuman kalau gue udah mulai record, kita harus nyelesain Archon Quest dulu. Request namanya ya. Nah itu ya, jadi pertanyaan gue, kalau kalian juga pengen gue nge-record, gue nge-grindingin account gue gimana, tulis di kolom komentar ya. Jadi gue biar bisa bikin videonya juga.
Halt! Who trespasses on these hallowed grounds?
Exactly. What are you talking about? We're invited guests. What makes you think you can treat us like this? No. Wait. Maybe this was Ningguang's plan all along. She pretended to invite us to the Jade Chamber, but set up a megalith ambush here to arrest us. Now Paimon's mad. You, over there. This is a trick, isn't it? How shameless.
What? We're just on guard duty. What do you mean, shameless?
What nonsense! Seize these suspicious intruders at once!
Well, here they come. Line them up and knock them down. Up and away. Leave it all to me.
Sekarang malah lawannya milih dia.
As a dutiful maid would.
Okay.
Time to act.
Lah, mana satunya? Di atas cuy. Gimana cara gue atas lagi? Oh shit. Oke. Oh shit. Nanti turun banget ya. Oh shit. Energinya terlalu sedikit ya.
Body and mind.
Ntar ya teman-teman, gua akan terus berprogres sampai jadi account yang kuatnya Naujubillah. Oke, kalian subscribe ya. Nah ini dimilih deh.
Time to act.
Who goes there?
Rain cutter.
Take the top.
Body and mind. Rain outlines your fate.
Cool it. Oh, so sorry.
Ills be gone. Let them fly. No, my sword!
Ya. Nggak kena lagi.
Tactical retreat.
Kayak gua nggak bisa ngelempar mereka ke bawah ya. Berarti kita arahin ke sini aja.
Up and away! I must leave no stone un...
Freeze!
Oh, masih ada.
Let me weave you a verse.
Ya. Oh shit. Hampir banget
Time to
teman-teman.
act. Time to clean up.
Tactical retreat.
Take the target alive! Mythic triad!
Body and mind. Rain outlines your fate.
Dodge this!
Closing in. Stop. What's all this about?
Lady Kuching, these two strange people suddenly appeared. They seem to have designs on the Guizhong Ballista.
Who are you calling strange? You want to go to the Jade Chamber? We're invited guests here to look for the Liyue Qixing. Who are you? Well, as it happens, I am one of the Liyue Qixing. Oh! I'm Kuching, the Yuheng of the Qixing. I know of you, traveler. You're Ningguang's guests, yes? Didn't expect to meet you here in the mountains. Wow. Paimon didn't think we'd meet some super rich big shot out here in the middle of nowhere either. The Guizhong Ballista in Tianheng Pass has long been in disrepair. And yet, it was fixed in a single night. I came here to investigate that occurrence. These Millelith are just here to guard the scene, not to arrest anyone. So, this was all a misunderstanding? Paimon never would have thought. Anyway, for a mortal to be able to repair an Adepti mechanism is quite the mystery, even to the Qixing. That was... Eh? Oh, right. So, Lady Yuheng, might you have any idea why Lady Tianquan invited us to go to the Jade Chamber? Just call me Kuching. I'd say that Ningguang's purpose is to request that the savior of Mondstadt take a more neutral stance. Or at least, to not wholly side with the Adepti. We're not taking sides. We spoke with the Adepti. They want to protect Liyue as well. When you say protect, you're referring to their sanctimonious arrogance, aren't you? Huh? You are mortals, and thus under their protection. There was no way they would have regarded you as someone with the ability to assassinate a god. Naturally, they would also regard Ningguang's locking down the area, questioning the citizenry, and pursuit of the assassin to be pointless work. Perhaps they even wonder if there might be a cover-up. I'll say it like it is. They're underestimating us. Well, you've got a point there. Still, this is the first time Paimon's seen a person from Liyue who doesn't respect the gods or the Adepti. Should I respect the shallow sense of time and condescension to mortals that has caused them to delay in moving against us, Qixing? Forget it. I shouldn't speak of them this way. This skepticism is mine alone, and Ningguang does not share it. Either way, I will admit that the actions of the Adepti this time were quite restrained. Rex Lapis's death is indeed an extraordinary circumstance. But to think that they would call for a council of Adepti rather than come down here directly. How surprisingly civilized of them. Well, for Ningguang, she would talk anything and everything out if she could. But I doubt we can do that here. The time of the Adepti has long passed. If even the Liyue Qixing don't want to face that truth, then what future is there for Liyue? Another super bold statement.
I'll stop here. Honestly, I hadn't intended to say so much. But you're a good listener, Traveler. You should both be off to the Jade Chamber. Don't be late now. Ningguang's schedule is packed to the gills all the way till next year. The cream of Liyue's mercantile crop all see ascending to the Jade Chamber as the greatest honor. Each brings rich gifts as they visit, all to curry a little favor with Ningguang.
Favor? Wait, that's right. Greeting gifts are a staple of Liyue's culture. We need to get one. Not to curry favor or anything, just to respect Liyue's culture.
All right. You can decide on your greeting gift yourselves. Let me tell you how to get to the Jade Chamber first. You didn't actually have to come to Mount Tianheng. Go back to Liyue Harbor. Find a guide at the Yuehai Pavilion, and... well then. May we meet again, Traveler.
Well, that Yuheng may not respect the gods, but Paimon thinks she's a pretty cool person. So, what should we give to Ningguang when we see her? Oh, right! Paimon dreamed of an amazing snack last night! Sugar-frosted slime! Paimon has a feeling that it would be perfect for a super rich person like Ningguang. Why don't we go with that for a gift? Nope! But Paimon's sure that we just need to make it with some boom shakalaka. Let's go gather ingredients. Time waits for no one, and neither will our riches.
Paimon ini emang mata duitan banget, teman-teman. Kita harus ngumpulin dulu ingredientnya di dua tempat itu. Dekat sih sebenarnya sih. Gue terbang aja kali ke situ ya. Sambil ngobrol dikit. Jadi Ningguang itu tuh, atau kita bisa sebutnya kan, mereka yang jagain di Tianchuan ya, misalnya. Itu tuh nggak begitu percaya sama ini teman-teman, sama dewa-dewa. Oh, ini menyebelin banget. Oke, udah. Jadi dia bilang kalau misalkan masa dewa itu sudah lewat. Sekarang tuh masanya para mortal, atau kita bisa sebut masanya para manusia. Jadi Liyue itu sudah tidak butuh dewa lagi. Nah, mereka ngomongnya seperti itu. Nah, kalau para dewanya, si Adeptai itu juga ngomongnya kayak kalau para manusia itu masih membutuhkan para dewa. Nah, Adeptai itu juga salah satu dewa.
Ooh, look at that slime. It looks crystal clear and very delicious. That's the one.
Oh iya, dia imun.
As a dutiful maid would.
Oke. Nah, apa bedanya nih si Adeptai biasa dengan si Rex Lapis, atau bisa kita sebut sebagai Geo Archon. Nah, kalau Geo Archon itu dia Prime Adeptai nih, teman-teman.
Huh? Is it just Paimon? Or is there a sweet fragrance in the air? Huh? Did you hear that? It seemed like it came from those ruins over there. Uh-oh. It looks like the treasure hoarders have locked someone inside.
Kita gas dulu lah, selamatin.
Steady as stone.
No, my sword. Witness
Nggak perlu basa-basi, langsung aja temen-temen.
Up and away.
Freeze!
Gue suka sama Lanyan itu karena dia gerakannya banyak tuh, teman-teman. Oh, jadi nggak bosan gitu mainannya. Dia karakter bintang 4 loh, berarti.
frozen in.
Suka gue. Ya permainannya nggak membosankan gitu loh teman-teman.
Thank you for your help, kind travelers. If you hadn't come to my aid, I surely would have rotted in this cell. Those treasure hoarders, when their mood was good, they'd rearrange those pots of sweet flowers. When they were in a bad mood, they'd rearrange my face.
Aw, it was nothing. No need to thank us all at once or anything.
I understand. Don't worry, I will compensate you both. Don't say that. I only escaped this predicament because of you. I'm Meng Dan, a supplier for Mingxing Jewelry in Liyue Harbor. I often walk around these mountains in search of antiques. I never expected that those treasure hoarders would have their eyes on the same ruins that I had. Before I knew it, they'd caught and imprisoned me. Is there anything that you lack? Antiques, treasure, various knickknacks, you name it. Well, as long as you want what I have to offer, of course.
Wait a moment. Actually, we are looking for something.
Oh? And what might that be?
Do you have a box that can store presents? We'd like a pretty one. The kind that you can use to store snacks.
Of course we do. How can one sell antiques without gift boxes? At Mingxing Jewelry, we have the best gift wrapping service in the 7 nations. Now just give me a moment and I'll let the boss know. You can go see her whenever you require that box.
Great! Paimon Sugar Frosted Slime now comes in a beautiful package.
Gua kira Paimon mau ngambil itu susah lagi lawannya ya. Dan ini ada di bawah. Yang satunya ada di mana deh? Atau sana ya teman-teman. Kayaknya next aja gua ngambilnya karena nanti kita kelamaan videonya. Atau kalian nanti bosen malah. Tapi kayaknya ini perlu gua mainin dulu. Si Silly ini kemana arahnya ya? Oke. Terus teman-teman ya. Oh, ada slime.
No, my sword! Time to act. Treasure hunting.
Oke.
A valiant
Kalau
endeavor.
chest gue gak bisa lewatin. Kita butuh itu soalnya teman-teman. So kita akan ke sini. Ya kemungkinan besar gue akan teleport ke sini untuk mempersingkat waktu teman-teman. Ini kan chapter 1 ya. Jadi yang kemarin pas di episode apa? Chapter yang gue bikin sebelumnya itu, atau episode yang gue bikin sebelumnya itu masih prolog tuh teman-teman. Nah, episode 1 ini tuh antara Liyue dengan Mondstadt. Gue tuh bisa Liyue sebenarnya. Mereka lebih jelas gitu. Gue suka dengan environmental ya, gue juga suka dengan orang-orang ya. Quest-questnya juga lebih seru ya.
Hey there! A guy called Meng Dan told us that we could get a nice and shiny box from your store.
Uncle Meng already told me about it. Thank you both for saving him. Many of the best goods in our store were found by Uncle Meng. If anything were to happen to here, this container is itself an antique, with at least 140 years of history. It's already been cleaned. Will it do?
Yep. It's great! Hang on a moment. Could we borrow one other thing?
Sure, please help yourselves, as long as it's on our shelves.
Traveler, this clay pot looks really awesome. If we use an antique as our mixing bowl, we should be able to make a great snack. It's done! The one and only sugar-frosted slime! Carefully now. Into the box it goes and dust it over with a bit more powdered sugar.
Oh yes, you might want to use these 2 freshly picked flowers as decorations too.
Woohoo! It looks beautiful! we've got into this box, let's go to the Jade Chamber to see Ningguang.
Oke, ada achievement baru. Oke, itu di atas itu teman-teman. Jadi kita harus ke atas dulu. Kita atas dulu ya.
Time to act.
Gue lebih senang Liyue karena memang tak kenapa gue rasanya jauh lebih seneng gitu loh. Di sini tuh kotanya lebih hidup, lebih tertata dibanding Mondstadt. Mondstadt tuh kayak kecil banget. Terus ya biasanya itu ya questnya itu ya begitu-gitu aja gitu. Jadi akhirnya membosankan gitu. Pas gue di Liyue ini ternyata jauh lebih seru ya. Gue juga jadinya lebih suka di sini sih. Padahal baru kota pertama nih. Nah, terus eventnya itu juga adanya berlokasinya di Liyue nih teman-teman. Gue juga lupa tadi gue udah ngasih tahu kan. Genshin Impact itu ada di PS4, PS5, Xbox Series X dan S nih teman-teman. Dan PC. Jadi kalau kalian mau main, inilah saatnya kalian untuk main. Karena lagi ada event nih. Cocok banget pokoknya.
According to Keqing, this is what we should say. Excuse me, do you sell the moon here?
Yes. How many would you like?
It's not convenient to speak of numbers here.
Ah, well said. Please, use this to ascend to the chamber. Yes, speaking of which, are you two the guests that Lady Ningguang has arranged to meet with today?
Yep.
And yet the code they used was not the one for guests, but for the Yuheng. What's going on here?
I've been waiting for you, returnee from Jueyun Karst.
It's Ningguang! Since this is our first meeting, we've prepared a gift. I hope you like it.
Oh, for me. You have my thanks. It seems that I have made things difficult for you, considering that you were supposed to be my guests.
Oh no, it's nothing.
This palace floats in the skies, higher than the peak of any mountain. From this vantage point, one may survey all of Liyue. I have been gathering the funds necessary to build it from the time I began learning the merchant's craft. And since becoming the Tianquan, I have spared no effort in hiring the best craftsmen to constantly extend it. At first, it was but the size of one room. Now, it is large enough to blot out the moon in the skies above Liyue. One day, I believe it will overshadow all 7 nations. Not many from outside Liyue earn the right to ascend to the Jade Chamber. But I have been in correspondence with the acting Grand Master of the Knights of Favonius, who spoke highly of you. As such, I have been putting eyes and ears out ever since you reached Liyue.
What?
And I finally got wind of your movements when you were on the way to Wangshu Inn.
Wait! Was Vergoldet one of your people?
Just Vergoldet? No. Everyone at Wangshu Inn is one of ours. At the Guizhang Ballista, yes?
You weren't peeking on us from the skies the whole time, were you?
I fear that peeking would have been a little difficult from this altitude. Our eyes and ears are more than sufficient. You two are very interesting people, after all. It would be natural to take an interest. Well, I wouldn't expect you to trust us, considering that you have had far more interactions with the Adepti. The reason I invited you here was to clear up some misunderstandings.
So teman-teman, Tadi questnya udah selesai, jadi kemungkinan besar gue akan berhenti dulu sampai sini. Tapi sebelum itu, gue gatel banget. Jadi gue memang sangat-sangat pengen untuk gacha nih teman-teman, karena gue masih belum punya bintang 5 sama sekali. So untuk kali ini gue mau langsung gacain dulu teman-teman. Gue yakin kayaknya kemungkinan besar kita bisa dapat nih Arlecchino nih. Arlecchino atau Chlorine ya. Tapi kayak kemungkinan besar gue kayaknya mau ngambil si Arlecchino dulu. Ayo kita coba dulu ya teman-teman ya. Langsung aja. 1 2 3. Masih belum dapat nih teman-teman. Masih ungu soalnya. Wah, dapetnya senjata doang. Wah, masih nggak hoki gue ya jadi. Nah ini juga 8 nih teman-teman. Jadi gue bisa buka ini juga. Menurut kalian apakah gue buka ini apa enggak ya? Karena gue sampai 10 ya teman-teman. Ini juga gue belum buka nih. Masih ada 7 hari lagi ya. Gue gak boleh patah semangat. Jadi nanti kita akan selalu gacain sampai kita bisa dapat salah satu dari banner-banner itu ya teman-teman. So, kalau kalian suka dengan videonya kalian like. Kalau kalian punya tips and trick cara bermain Genshin Impact yang baik dan benar gimana, kalian komen aja di video-video gue teman-teman. Kalau kalian pengen main bareng, kalian komen juga di video gue. Dan gue ada pertanyaan tadi, apakah kalian mau ngelihat atau gue nge-record pas gue lagi grinding teman-teman. So, dan juga please kalian kembangin juga channel ini sehingga gue juga bisa bermain juga game yang lainnya juga. Kalian subscribe channel ini oke teman-teman, dan kalian share ke teman-teman kalian. Semakin besar channel ini, semakin banyak game yang bisa gue mainin lagi oke teman-teman. So, sampai jumpa di kesempatan selanjutnya ya. Dadah.